Hi guys, welcome back to Taste with Twist. Today let's make this delicious whole wheat flour mango cake without oven along with the mango glaze. This mango cake is very delicious, super soft and super moist. Before that, please subscribe to my channel if you like this video and ring the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Let's start by preparing our stovetop oven. For that, on a low flame, place a aluminium kadai or non-stick kadai that has a good lid. Now I have placed a cookie cutter. You can use a stand or any small bowl too. Place the lid on top of the oven and preheat it for 10 minutes on a low flame. Now prepare your cake tin by lining it with a parchment paper or greasing it with some oil or butter. Now I have taken half cup of milk. I have added 1 teaspoon of vinegar to the milk to make the buttermilk. If you have buttermilk at hand, you can use buttermilk too. Now in a bowl, I am taking half cup of mango puree. I have simply peeled a mango and crushed the mango pieces to a smooth puree. Now I am adding half cup of powdered sugar. You can use regular sugar too. Add in 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Any flavorless vegetable oil will work for this cake. Mix everything well until the sugar dissolves. Now place a sieve on the bowl and add the dry ingredients. I have taken 3/4 cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour, half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Sift everything into the bowl. Combine everything well with a whisk or a spatula. Lastly, add in the prepared buttermilk. Slowly mix everything. Don't overmix, otherwise the cake will get flat. At this stage, you can add vanilla essence or any other essence that you like. Our cake batter is ready now. Remember, do not overmix the batter. Now let's transfer this cake batter into the prepared cake tin. The batter of this cake should be a little thick like this. Tap it on the kitchen counter to remove any air bubbles. Now place the cake tin into the prepared stovetop oven. Cover with lid and keep the flame like this. This is high flame and this is low flame. The flame should not be like this. It should just touch the base of the vessel. It takes 40 minutes to bake this cake. When you think the cake is ready, just check with a toothpick. The cake is ready now. Let it cool. While the cake cools, let's prepare mango glaze for the cake. To prepare the mango glaze, I have taken 4 tablespoons of mango puree and 4 tablespoons of sugar in a pan on a low flame. Mix everything and cook until the mango puree turns transparent or thickens a little bit. It will take approximately 5 minutes on a low flame to prepare the mango glaze. At this stage, remove from the stove. Let the mango glaze cool a little bit. Now I have taken one cheek of a mango. I have peeled it and Slice thin slices of the mango cheek. Keep it aside. Now our cake has cooled down a bit. I am flipping the cake onto a board. Remove the parchment paper. Flip it again. You can see the cake is very soft. Now I am pouring the mango glaze on top of the cake. If you make the mango glaze beforehand, it might form a skin on top of it. Simply remove the skin and use the rest of the mango glaze. Spread it on the cake with a spatula or with a spoon. Now let's take the slices of mango and place them on the cake like I am showing you to make a beautiful rose on the cake. This is optional. In the middle, just roll a slice of the mango and place it like this. Our beautiful whole wheat flour mango cake is ready. Definitely try this one. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.